So it is an easy question. This question we have asked with after n. We are given with an integer n. After this n, we need to know the smallest number x greater than or equal to given n, where binary representation of x contains only set bits. So the numbers which are having only set bits, that means only ones. A set bit refers to a bit in the binary representation of a number that has a value of 1. So 1 has a set bit of 1, and then 3 has all set bits, and then 7 all set bits. So by this way, we need to return the number least number after n. So in an example here we are given with n is equal to 5, and then for 6 how we can represent 6. So firstly let us talk about 5. For 5 we will be representing 4 0 1, 4 and 1. This is 5, and then after 5 it is 6, 1 1 0 and 7 1 1 1. Now this is not said, this doesn't contain all set bits, this doesn't contain all set bits, but this 7 contains all set bits, so we will return 7 as the output. So in this way we need to know whether a number is having all set bits or not. But now in C++ there is a standard template library, and there is a function called built-in function built-in underscore pop count of n. So for n it will return the number of set bits of n. So this makes our approach easy. So first thing, iterate from n till all set bits are not sorry, all are not set bits. Binary representation is not a all set bits. Now when we got all set bits in a binary representation of n, then we will returning n. So second thing which we need to do is check with a condition whether a number's binary representation is having all set bits or not. So we will be getting code in next few seconds. Thank you.